how to generate videos from images in Kling AI. If you want to generate videos from images in Kling AI, first of all, make sure to launch the Kling AI application, and this is the interface you will see. So what you have to do is, from the bottom, just tap on this plus bar or the plus icon, and there you'll find an option called AI videos. Make sure to simply select that. Now here you have three options: text to video, frames, or motion control. So select the option called frames because we want to generate videos from images. Now select the plus button over here and select start and end images in this case. Once you select the start and end images, make sure to select that and type in the prompt that you wish. Make sure to type in a comprehensive prompt specifying the subject, actions, background environment, lighting, and cinematic style, and you can also fill out a negative prompt to list elements that you want to exclude. And after you've done that, you can just hit the generate button from the bottom right of the screen. This way you can generate videos from images in Kling AI. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.